Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make super easy and very soft and delicious flour tortillas. You can make any wraps, rolls, shawarmas with them. They're very easy to make and you can store them in the refrigerator for at least a week. So let's check out the required ingredients to make these delicious tortillas. 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Some water for kneading the flour. Alright, so let's get right into the recipe. What I've done is I've taken the all-purpose flour and now I'm adding the baking powder to it. After this I'm adding sugar. I'm using very fine sugar. After this I'm adding the salt to it. So now mix everything nicely together. Alright, now just go ahead and add the butter. Make sure that the butter is nice and soft so that it mixes very nicely with the flour, and this will make the tortillas very soft and delicious. Mix it very nicely. Now just go ahead and add water and start kneading the flour. Alright, I have kneaded the flour and my dough is ready, and I'm going to keep this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to see that your dough is nice and soft. Just knead it a little bit and you're ready to go. And I've divided the dough into 6 equal portions, and now I'm going to roll out the tortillas. So I'm going to dust some flour and start rolling the same way as you roll the chapati. So as you can see, my tortilla is all done. I have kept the tawa, it's nice and hot. Now I'm going to just go ahead and roast the tortilla. As soon as the bubbles start to appear from the bottom, you can just go ahead and flip the tortilla exactly the same way as you make your rotis. Alright, so after flipping, you'll see after 2 minutes again the bubbles will start coming from the below, and that's when you're going to flip the tortilla. It's not going to puff up too much because I've made thin. If you're making them thick, you'll see that they'll puff up like pita bread or chapati. Make sure you roast it very nicely from all over the edges so that it doesn't stay raw. So my tortilla is ready to go. My tortillas are all ready, and you can make any kind of rolls, wraps, whatever you like. I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.